Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to the Smiling Vikings channel. Today is going to be a fucking beautiful day. So let's get those energies flowing, and let's get those positive vibes out to the world. Today, we're doing some more of these cars. So far, I got a few cinema rolls, and my melody. We're hoping to get the whole set, so we can do a whole set review. First of all, what's in the box? Inside the box, there is a bag, and inside the bag, there is a Kuromi. Roll on, little homie. So that means we now have half the set, 3 of them. That's a win. No, we have 4. We also have pom-pom. I have a very strong feeling that we might get the full set. It's not today. One more box down. Oh, today is a double dose of Kuromi. Well, that's all I got for you today. Go out there, have some fun, spread some positive energy. But most of all, peace out and go fuck yourself.